This is how you can use VLOOKUP and sum together. In my data set, I've selected a salesperson and it will give me a total sales for that particular person. Let me show you how this can be done. First, let's do the pull down menu here on cell B1 here. Select cell B1 and you go to data. Under data, go to data tools. Under data validation here, just click on this data validation. You'll come up with this pop-up window here. Make sure you clicked on setting tab. Under the allow, you're going to select list, and on the source here you're going to click on this and select all the names of the users so that the drop down menu will have those names. Now hit enter and click on OK, and what this does, it will give you the list as a pull down for the names here. So I'm going to select Tony York here, and over here we're going to show the total value for Tony York. When I say total, I'm talking about this plus this plus this plus this. For Tony, I guess this plus this plus this plus this. The way to do it, let's start off with VLOOKUP here. I'm gonna say equal to VLOOKUP. The first argument would be the name itself, which is B1, comma. The second argument will be the complete data set here, like this. And the third argument would be in curly braces like this. And I want column number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the way you do it is say 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this will return you column 2, 3, 4, and 5 on that data set A4 to E29 there. Close curly braces here and comma 0 to return you the exact value. Now you close the parenthesis and you can see that it returns 4 values for Tony York. And now if you were to change this to say Mike Pug, and you can see it returns this numbers here. So now to sum this number up, what you do is that you basically wrap the VLOOKUP with a function called sum like this, which is going to add all the 4 values for Mike, just like that. And to make it look a bit nicer, go to home and change this to currency. And now if you were to try and change to different users, you can see that this value is the sum from Jacobson here. This values is the total values, which is 12,856 is 12,856 like that.